Hey everyone, I'm back with another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate and download the loading icons, loading SVGs or loading animations for your CSS projects. Right up that you can copy and paste on your CSS projects. So now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Chrome browser, and here you have to search for loading.io. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the website to respond. Once the website gets loaded, here you need to scroll down and you can see the various download icons are available for you. You can customize it the way you want. There are multiple available for you for free to use. Once you select them and once you customize them according to your need, you can directly download them as SVG or save them as assets, and anything you want you can do with it. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.